Hello, class. Dr. Rossler here. Welcome back from your holiday break. Hopefully, you had a good break. You're recharged and you're refreshed and you're ready to go to finish up the course. So, what I want to do in the series of upcoming video lectures here is just to resolve Nietzsche and Zarathustra and point ahead to exam 5. So, looking at the discussion here, D21 resolving Zarathustra, I've put up another annotated or a last annotated text taking you up through Zarathustra parts 1 and 2, which is all that we are covering in the text, so don't worry about parts 3 and 4. And then I've also added a additional text here from another book from Nietzsche called The Gay Science. This is the greatest weight aphorism. This is a famous aphorism from Nietzsche. We'll take a look at it in a second. This is where he explores the idea of the eternal recurrence of the same. This is an idea that he also explores in Zarathustra, but in parts 3 and 4, which we're not reading. So we'll add this to the textual evidence available to you. Okay, looking at the categories here, how to understand Nietzsche. I've given you about 7 or 8 categories here, so if you were to write about Nietzsche, and you might want to do this for exam 5, exam 5 will give you the opportunity or the choice to either write about Nietzsche or to write about Du Bois. So if you were to write about Nietzsche, you could break Nietzsche down into these categories. And so you would, want to pick one of these categories to write about, and then find the relevant material in the text and put together a problematic and a theorization and an analytic in order to do that. So the first category we have here is Nietzsche versus morality, ethics, and religion. Again, I like to set things up in a dialectical way. That's why I have Nietzsche in this versus sort of phrasing. So Nietzsche versus morality, ethics, and religion. So obviously in Zarathustra, he's not a big fan of Western morality, Western ethics, and Western religion. Um, Famously, he talks about how God is dead. We have to overcome not only God but the death of God in order to create this type of overman, and the overman can create their own values.